First day of Eid, woke up late as hell. Don't know how. Just woke up late.
What's up, my people?
My ear was right there. Anyways, put a shirt on. For those of you who don't know, Eid is the holiday right after Ramadan. Because Ramadan just finished. So yeah, I'm going to that thing now. What?
The authentic source based on Quran and Sunnah under the understanding.
Well, that was fun. I got some chocolate cake. It was pretty delicious, and I feel so fat. But yeah, now I got work, so I have to leave early while everyone's still having fun. And yep, just got off work and called my dad because he called me. And one of the twins is at the hospital because he drank some bleach. It's not good. Yes, who's back? Back again. Lando's picking his hair. My little brother's hair. But he's hairless.
This is hilarious.
Hamza had work today, but he decided to sleep in. Try waking him up. He's like, I'm not going.
And then I called out to him. Like, hey, Hamza. He's like, no. I'm like, don't you got work? He's like, I'm not going. I'm like, oh, okay.
And then you said, don't ask you for money.
Oh, yeah. That part is very bad.
So me and Lan are going to Walmart to get some stuff for my dad. Because my stepmom's still at the hospital with Bilal. So they don't have... Well, they have food in the house, but like they don't have food, if that makes sense. So I'm going to buy milk so they can live off of cereal. Hamid's on the phone for a job thingy. We're at the park, and it looks like something's about to go down. Hey, look at that! Hamid was looking that way because he thought I was recording the trees. But nah, I'm using the front-facing camera, man. No, it's so cute. Hey, what's your little man? So cute. No.
Can I get a ride? Can I get a ride on this? No. Hey, like when I was watching news the other day. Why are you recording?
Because I want to see you go crazy again. And beat up Zayn.
Hey, am I in this vlog?
I think so.
No, this.
Yeah, you are.
What about me?
Thought so.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
The Americans wasn't their lands either, but they took it by force. Yeah, because they eliminated the Indians. They committed genocide.
I know, I remember.
Well, not really.
I was
Indians are still here.
half asleep in class when Miss what's her name?
Tibor.
Tibor was saying about that.
Damn, I forgot about Miss Tibor.
Good time.
Oh my god.
Hey Adam, what time is it?
It's Adventure's Hut.
What the heck?
In the hospital.
Gotta give my stepmom some stuff. Because she's staying here with Bilal. Oh, look at the cute little fishies. Oh.
So I don't know about cute. But
Wait.
like, she was staring at it.
Hey, look, SpongeBob. Empty at nighttime. Whoa. It's creepy, you know? How do we get to room 525?
I think I know.
Hey, look, here comes some lights. Oh, medical records. Let's see what they got. Nah. Oh, I'm a genius. I should probably not be recording the room number, huh? Well, we'll see. If they get out this week, then I'll just leave it.
Hospital, right?
Oh, you guys, this is a Detroit Children's Hospital.
There you go.
Right. We just had some pineapples.
Do we look alike?
Right, people say we look like twins. Hey, Adam, hold this so you can see both our faces. Okay, do we look like twins?
Comment below. Let us.
It's so fucking close. No, we don't look like twins.
Good morning. Today, while at my place of employment, I shall speak in a British accent, and I will award the first person to call me out on it. Nothing. I got nothing.
My boss, he's a tricky guy. So I'm still in training, you know, which means I'm never alone on the shift. But this dude left me alone for hours. Forgot how many hours, but it was hours. And I was like, I got this. Yeah, I didn't panic. But he got busy, then I got nervous, and I cracked the screen today, and I got really mad, because I never crack screens, man. Yeah, you're probably like, oh, what's so cool about cracking the screen? First of all, nothing's cool about that. Second of all, I never crack screens. Oh, you should car. No. He's wearing a helmet prescribed by the doctor because his head is misshapen. Yep, but he likes that car. Aww. I don't know how, but sometimes over the past 2 months, we've been getting a lot of these for free. And we've just been taking them. So now, I'm about to make Rice Krispie Treats. And it might fail. So, here it goes. Came out horrible. Yay!
What is this? This is hot wings, alright?
I heard everything.
You ready?
Alright, let me try one.
Oh, you,
Hey,
Adam,
I'm trying.
Kay,
Ain't nothing hot for me, cuz. I eat hot things.
he gotta pick, because he's giving up his spot.
It made me cry.
But this is new. This is different from the Blake.
Hey, let's do it after. Hey, let's do it after Mug Rip because we gotta pray in 5 minutes.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
So, Leto, explain what's about to happen.
Okay, so this is it's called Ghost Pepper. According to the people at Buffalo Wild Wings, this is the second hottest pepper in the world. Everyone is gonna take a piece of chicken and eat it whole, and they're gonna see if they can handle the hotness. I couldn't.
It is boneless?
Yeah, it's boneless. Just stuff the whole thing in your mouth. I ate it, I cried, and I felt like I was high from the hotness.
Well, I can't really do that. I have to bite it.
No, you have to stuff it in.
I'm gonna get this on Snapchat.
Sit on the couch. Sit on the couch.
Hey, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Gore.
But it's not. It's like just to see if you
Go.
can handle it all.
Alright, I'm gonna eat the whole.
If I have to take out both of you. Alright, so I'm gonna record. Let's do this.
I'll probably cry about it.
Oh, you're gonna cry.
I'm gonna take one of the other ones.
I want the big one, bro. Watch out.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Bismillah. It tastes good though, right? It tastes good, right? Eat it all. What y'all waiting on? Eat it all. You done? Alright, Duffy, the first one done?
Alright.
How you feeling, Duffy? That nigga mouth.
Hot sauce, my niggas.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay.
Hot sauce.
I'm done now.
Damn. That nigga Luke like, hey.
Let me stay for now. Oh God.
Damn, that nigga spit it out.
Let him throwing it up. Oh my bad. He throwing it up.
Okay, how y'all feeling? How y'all feeling?
God damn.
Okay, how you feeling? How you feeling?
Nobody's talking.
How you feeling, Adam?
what's
Y'all
up?
right? You straight? You straight? Okay.
I just want to give a shout out to my baby mama, you know what I'm saying? We out here. We eat hot stuff out here. It ain't hot. Cause y'all some little kids. Y'all some babies. You got a baby grown man
Oh,
on your
he
shit.
eating more. Oh, y'all some thugs. Y'all some thugs. How you feeling? I saw you jump.
I do have some tears. Hey, get Luke, bro. That's what you need to get. Hey, Pops.
Can we record him too?
Like a money celebration.
There they go. So this is the aftermath. All right, it seems that he can handle it. Yeah. He can handle it. And Shaquille, he's straight. But him, and he tripping, and Luke is tripping. Okay.
I ain't tripping. Why did it work?
Oh, it's not. Oh, it's not. Oh my God. Oh my God. How are you guys handling it? How are you handling doing it.
It might be hot.
My man Mahmoud dancing.
He tried his hardest not to get the water. He just
Bro,
trying
just
to
drink
chill.
the water, bro.
I'm just chilling.
He trying to
Dude.
chill.
But
Yeah, you're
cool.
oh no, you straight.
His eyes red as hell. You know.
Look who's not in the hospital and feeling so much better. Hey man, stop throwing stuff. That's so mean. You meanie bo beanie. Hey Deanie. Yep.
Get over here. Follow me on Instagram. __2.
We're about to.
No, dude, don't move for him.
Second. About to leave. So, where we go? Pick up their check. Fix his tire. Bank. Post office.
You still go to the bike shop?
Yeah. It's my other brother, Abdurrahman.
Alright, it's clean.
Insurance.
Yeah, man, have you been vlogging, bro, without me?
No, it's totally fine.
Hey, come on, hey, let me talk to the people. Hey, they need to talk to me. Hey, yo.
He really has good rants about it.
Listen. See, someone agrees
No, I'm
that I
just
have
saying.
good videos.
Yo, point it at him, bro.
Yes, because I'm a
Oh, hell yeah, that ego.
Google it. Google it.
I think I'm a good president. Dude.
Yeah?
Hey, if I have a double chin, please don't put it up.
If you have a what?
Double chin. If I was born a girl, it was so weird. It wouldn't be weird. I could just imagine how I'd act. Man, I'm telling you guys, there's nothing. Please stop. No, because they don't get the gravity of it. Hamid's not even doing anything. Entertain the people.
I'm just gonna
I
send
mean,
you
you're.
help.
I mean, you know, I act overly mean to Hamid, but they don't get the backstory.
They don't.
They don't.
Hamid's
It's like,
a real douchebag.
yeah, no. I mean, the thing is, look at what a jerk he is. He's picking on that poor guy for no good reason. But you know what?
What poor guy?
You're not poor.
Me?
Tell him your life story, Hamid.
Alright, what had happened was. That's it.
Yeah. Set it up.
Hey, this is
Yeah,
recording.
hook it up.
Can
And
this thing see through my sunglasses?
order crazy bread. Last time I ordered some, they didn't do
A little bit.
well done. And it was
Okay,
a little, yeah, I don't want it
Can't say
doing like
anything?
that. It was like extra saucy.
Halal pepperoni.
You know, kind of. I know it's saucy.
$200 for 2 cases and an iPad mini screen replacement. It's freaking crazy. And I didn't vlog today. Nope. But I'm vlogging right now. And I stayed extra today.
You should, sorry, I didn't
What?
get your vlog up. You should vlog about the Ramsey and the LL Cool J thing.
Oh, I don't know, because he watches my videos. Yeah. But, yeah, I stayed extra today. Because these freaking iPod 4th generations are horrible. And it's upside down right now, but it's cool. I hate doing them, but I'm better at them now. And this freaking computer is giving me problems, and I don't know why. I would beat it up, but it's a customer's, so can't do that. Might go to the movies tonight with my family. If I do, I'll vlog about it. If not, then damn.
What was that? Go forward! Go forward!
Quit smiling, you idiot. You're supposed to be a professional.
Today's Sunday. Last day for the vlog. And the first day of me covering my own shift. Like a full shift. So, pretty excited about today. Yesterday, freaking computer was giving me a hard time. So as soon as I get into work, I'm gonna work on that. Because it's very annoying. And I've been thinking about it like all night. Yep, so you'll see me at work soon. By myself. Damn. Yo, listen. Yeah, today's Sunday. It's 6 o'clock now. Like, it's like, it just hit 6 o'clock. So I was like, lock the door, because ain't nobody else coming in today.
because we're closed. Okay? My first shift by myself, and you know what? Very stressful. I cracked an iPad mini screen. I don't know how much that's going to cost me. Well, time to finish stuff. Freaking fly has been on his damn screen all day. If you don't go somewhere else with your nasty green doodle looking self, I'm not going to kill you because I don't want to touch you because you're nasty. But still, get the hell out of here, man. What the hell? Yeah, today I stayed an extra 2 hours at work because I went to practice stuff, work on some other stuff, and I just didn't feel like going home because I'm tired and I didn't want to drive. But then I started to think, the longer I stay here, the more tired I'm going to get, and the more I'm not going to want to drive, so I should just drive right now. So I'm driving right now. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog some more today. It's Sunday after all, so this could be the end of today's vlog. But yeah. Subscribe, comment, and all that other stuff. Running a yellow light!